Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from CarWow and welcome to another drag race video. So I'm sat in my Audi RS6 daily driver and next to me is an Audi RS7 and we're going to see which is the quickest over the standing quarter mile. May seem a bit odd, but we're going to do it anyway. Actually, before we get into that, which do you think is the best car out of these two? Which would you rather have? And while you're answering that question, also talk to me about these specs. So this is obviously got this green paint and the brown interior. That one has this really nice grey exterior without the black pack, so it's got the silver accents and quite basic silver wheels, but it looks really cool to me, and the inside is black. Let me know in the comments below which car and colour combination you like the best. Let me tell you about these cars then. They've both got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 600 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. They've both got an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a torque converter but launch control, and they've both got Quattro all-wheel drive. This car weighs 2,075 kilos. That weighs 2,065 kilos, so a bit lighter due to the shape of its body. This costs £95,500. That's £98,500. Not much in it really. I just want to see what's going to happen. Will those differences make a difference? It just seems a bit odd, but I've got the cars here. Let's race them and see what happens. Now, before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Let's get on with the race.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Before we race, let's do the customary CarWow sound check. Oh yeah, soft limiter. Look, just after 3. Sounds rubbish. Got sports exhaust on it as well. Let's hit the RS7. It's the same story with that. I hate Audi and its soft limiters. They're just so annoying. BMW doesn't have them. Anyway, let's get on with the race. What's going to happen? It's all about reaction time, this. Oh, come on.
3, 2, 1.
It's so funny watching that pitch skyward. Is he coming back? That's coming back. This is going to be close. That was so interesting. I launched brilliantly. You were a bit slower off the line, I think, than me, but it seemed to be pulling it back.
I agree. I was a fraction behind you off the start, and it definitely pulled it back. I couldn't call it at the end, though.
It was so close.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, despite the pouring rain, both cars managed to do the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds, though the slow motion replay shows the RS6 was just ahead and crossed the line first.
Now we're going to do a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. I'm going to put the cars into their comfort mode, so I'll just press my RS button to turn it on. All in auto mode for the gearbox, normal drive, no messing. Let's do it, let's see what happens. I'll call it in, get level. 3, 2, 1, go. What?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Destroyed. Oh, I love the tail lights of that. That's one advantage of getting destroyed. You get to appreciate the back end of that car. I love the design and I love Audi's light signatures. So nice. Was that in full auto, just normal auto comfort?
Promise, I've got it in comfort driving mode in D, and it absolutely went off like a rocket.
This was like, well, maybe I'll change gears. All right, okay, I will. And then it took off. I get the sense that Audi may be setting that RS7 up to be more sporty because it's a coupe.
It certainly feels like it driving it, but I'm not sure.
Did I make the wrong choice by getting the RS6 and not the RS7? Anyway, let's move on. Right, now you're going to do the same thing again, rolling race, 50 miles an hour. but I'm going to put the car into its sporty setting. So it's going to go into RS2 mode and then into manual mode for the gearbox. Do it in 3rd gear. Right, you ready? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. He cocked his gear change. Did you mess up your gear change?
I went too early, to be honest. I didn't miss it, I just went too early.
That's what his wife always says. That's why he's got 2 kids. Didn't mean to have, he just has now.
And a problem for me, obviously.
See? He just admitted it himself. I wasn't being rude, it's a fact. It's a medical condition. You can't help it. Okay, you ready this time? You're not going to come too soon?
I'm going to come on time.
Blah, sorry. Okay, here we go. 50. 3, 2, 1, go. That's neck and neck. Right, bailing. Do you know what I reckon? I don't think Audi has actually tuned them to be quicker, because there, all things being equal, no difference in traction or anything like that because of standing water, and no kind of gearbox. And these gearboxes, these 8 speeds, can sometimes be a bit sluggish if you catch them wrong. The performance is the same, innit? Let's be honest, I think we were just making things up.
Yeah, I think we were making them up. We were neck and neck there the whole way down.
Oh, I'm glad we established that. Right, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we reach line full emergency stop. See which car stops in the shortest distance. Let's do it. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful view. Sun setting over there. The water on the track is reflecting that lovely orange light. Concentrate, Matt, you've got to do a brake test. Where's that line? I can't see it. There it is. I always lose the brake test, guaranteed. Am I going late? Are people going early? I don't know. He went early again, that's what I think. What do you? Let me know in the comments about my brake test ability. I'm interested. Closely match these cars. The launch is just all down to your traction and how well it hooks up, and the gearboxes on these can be a bit slow and kick down when you're in comfort. This one was just caught napping. Brake test, he won that, but not by much. Well, there we go. It's the end of another drag race. Hope you enjoyed it. And it's the end of the day. I think I might just sit here and enjoy the beautiful sunset. Now, if you've been watching these drag races for a while and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. See you next time.